This neighborhood is so quiet. It is the perfect place for a professional thief like me to find some treasure. Let me see what is inside. Aha! I see a happy family and something very shiny on the table.
Look at this beauty, kids. I won this first prize trophy 5 years ago. It is made of real, solid gold plating.
Wow, Dad. It shines like a star. Is it worth $1 million? Can we buy a spaceship with it? A real spaceship?
Haha, no spaceships today, Tom. This trophy is a family memory. I will put it up here so it stays safe and clean.
Aha! There it is! Right where I knew it would be. The golden goose. High shelf? No problem. I am excellent at climbing. That gold trophy will be in my bag tonight.
Okay, everyone, attention please. The clock says 9 p.m. That means it is bedtime for all growing children.
Yes, Mom. We are very sleepy. We are going to bed right now. Ha-ha! Not really. Mom thinks we are sleeping, but we have a mission. We need to finish the final level of Space Hunter. But Tom, if Mom hears the game music, she will be very angry. We should be quiet. Don't worry, little sister. Put these headphones on. We will hear the game, but Mom will hear nothing. Whew, it is boiling in here. I will open the window for some fresh, cool air. Just a little bit.
Would you look at that? The boy left the window wide open. He is practically inviting me to dinner. I am inside. Nice room, lots of toys. But I am not here for toys. Look at them. They are glued to the screen. Hello? Can you hear me?
Watch out, Anna! The monster is right behind you! Run! Run fast!
The monster is right behind you, kid. But you are too busy to notice. There you are, my precious. You are coming home with Bob the Thief. Steady, steady. Almost got it. Oh no, that sounded like an explosion. The whole family will wake up.
Did you feel a vibration? Maybe it was the bass in the music. Keep playing.
Wait. Nobody is coming? Wow, those headphones must be magic. Lucky me. I have the treasure. Time to disappear into the night like a ninja. Ouch! Thorns! Spikes! I am stuck! I can't move my legs!
Oh, what a beautiful morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing.
Wait a minute. Where is the vase? And? Whoa! WH Air is my trophy.
Mom! Tom! Anna! Wake up! We have an emergency!
Dad, please don't shout. My head feels like a balloon ready to pop.
What is wrong? Why is everyone screaming? And look at the broken glass.
Someone broke into our house. My gold trophy is stolen. Gone. Vanished.
Stolen? Huh? But we were in the room all night. We didn't see anyone.
Tom, look at your eyes. You look like a zombie. Were you awake last night?
We were playing games just a little bit. Maybe until 3 a.m.
3 a.m.? No wonder you look so sick. Playing games all night is very bad for you.
I am calling the police right now. We need help to find the thief.
I see muddy footprints here. They are leading towards the stairs.
Follow the footprints. They go straight into Tom's room.
Aha! The window is open. This is how the thief entered.
Tom, did you forget to lock the window last night?
Yes, Dad. I opened it for fresh air, and I was so busy gaming that I forgot to close it. And we were wearing these headphones. That is why we didn't hear the glass breaking.
Okay, honey, I understand.
Now. Wait a second. I see something moving in the rose bushes down there. Shh. Everyone follow me. Be very quiet. We might catch him.
Is it a wild animal? Ouch. Ow. Please help me. These thorns are sharp. I have been stuck here all night.
Gotcha! You are under arrest for stealing and for destroying the flowers. Oh no!
My trophy. Thank goodness it is safe.
Hey, kid. Thanks for the open window. Next time, maybe lock it so I don't get stuck in your garden.
He entered because of me. I made it easy for him. I feel terrible.
Come on, Bob. You can sleep in a nice jail cell tonight. Goodbye, folks.
We were lucky today. But this must never happen again. Do you understand?
Do you understand why we tell you to sleep early and lock the doors?
Yes, Mom. When I am tired, I am careless. I cannot protect the house if I am a zombie. I don't want to play games at night anymore. I want to be safe.
Tom and Anna learned a big lesson that day. Safety is more important than high scores.
I am checking the windows right now. Click! Locked. And no more headphones at night. I want to have sharp ears like a bat. Here is the tablet, Dad. Keep it safe.
I am going to recharge my brain with sleep.
That is my boy. Good night, Security Captain Tom.
Good night, Tom. The house is safe now. Good night, Anna. Sweet dreams. No zombies allowed.
Good habits keep you healthy and safe. Always remember to lock your doors.